Enduko ina story kututichi. Bature na murega wena suti. Tukona ko kirire wambiriria. Nkethire mutegero ero TV.
Ibwega sana wini ngokethia barabonde boto watch na arabari both kire TV ya wero na inya kire mtandao zetu za YouTube na o platform iraba batutegerete kenda tomba go share experience kana rogonoro kenda romba ko empower kana ko motivate somebody else na u barabonde batutekere ko ngokethia mashabiki zetu zonde za Weru TV.
Ambwenu ambirirete vizuri sana. Kimanto ya ministry weather Kiokia. Umechukua vizuri na kuambiriria poa. Congratulations.
Ibwega sana.
Aya. Murega ina achiariri, murega ina thoma ka background kauga kuambiriria.
Ya uninchiariri anto gwitoka kana tene aza mugutano baraba izikra bita terrace ya unyuma. Neo ntuchiariri kakana tene was a background kuringa na history randa igawa nonto imutaene twera waneo ng'ombe ntize narache itawa kwina mukoro wa itabiashara eu betha bachitha i just to rooms lakini to room to titwa tatari na ndi to antu itwa to ng'ombe and that the history ndaigawa igitwa kana tene nonto just like in kanata ng'ombe but twakurira environment major kana tene kingia ize kene yako nonto kuraza no amugutano imantu za drugs pendering kana araweza gwita rock antu gutsemania kenda bona banywa wecham kanga eska weko na malita za maingi za tumereka maybe add drugs inge za bangi and so many other things ntomba kuga chionde no ntomba kuga toga to set ntomba kwethera anko ba set na moritse riongoro so batito akada wa monoko se andantigere au lakini basically yanto to grow it surrounding biashara eu na kuma unde tanda thomera Gitoro primary it's a distant maybe 1 or 2 kilometers from Gakanatene au within the surrounding areas na yo Gitoro primary ndathoma from nursery turugairo choroi mwakoro etawanjoria mwakandathiria class 8 area then from there ndeta kaga but finally ndeta seminary seminary nio ndagitire inya kiroge form 4 from there ndajoin we college nyingi na
matokire
andagwikire
kuloma goku na tekajani kauga kari
ya ambuge mbere ma I had ntare na kagita ga kom at the primary to my dad was there that time and mom mami okwa general charity no thimenti but challenge akurukira nyingi etakozoe ajabori na from there beza batrima na mzee ule umite Gembe I think Gembe Central kuma ward Gembe I think Joune so when they met on the very ngaso bakombarara mugutano mzee akienda yamira in fact umire nao around class 6 thadhwana inyari mwezi akeza naza kuri ngaso bagitrima na mathe beza bambiria maisha uga kana tene kana mugutano na uni onda achiarirwe specifically Meru General but ikionkuga kire siasa zara maingi to denounce even our family ikienda to propagate agenda siasa to me ikionda uga I bring to perspective oni my father umite Igembe and my mother though achiariri no thimenti akoririte out of mateso zaria stepfather mbi eta kozoe na arebori ko oni generally my parents bakurukirite mo safarin kurukia oni na ondio chiaro aza maisha za primary school they made ibagitere sure kuona the best ine kethro mathe akuririte thoko emugutano na rita gya kayampempe ara mugutano in fact no enda atumairage campaign muno ntu no waize kene nkurukie oni au ke kisiasa ciakwa nontu boga muthakore ukari thakere ikari andi kari ucio na izikene nontu bwa thoko na nontu bwa gwakia mpempe au ome 3 stairs ko primary kintu akibugaga ndacabaga ikwithirwa kwina self esteem nontu mbere ema au nio ana bara bonthe bothomera mugutano na bakuma nara bageta gitoro bekurukira bakiona maimatha aria thokone nandi bakona murega impempe akaiya na at the age of adolescence tara maingi no kira inya kwa associated but they provided everything. They provided my school fee, ba provide nyabia kuria na inyago ithro tukomborete nyomba aria mugutano. At that time you can imagine we need twakara nyomba 10 by 10. 10 by 10 ikomancha au nio kitchen ere au nio bathroom ere au nio yani bedroom. That means ukauma table room we weruka step imwe we bedroom. So you can imagine such an environment. Na buinde, I'm born Deninka. In fact, I'm the only son and daughter, if I may say. Ko de kana na mathe kwere le to kioria icio zoro ne ate koenda kana gangi amwira we menya ciaku uri ninko menya rangu kurukira na take ko na to town. So all that ambuge iban supportera bwega kithomo na until my father already tezire kwazo murimo jo cancer but before cancer na the way ulcers na icha muthangi kayengo kurika na ngikora every time dauma skuru agitoro nkethire na ro akai muno na inspired me reta kira giatumire ntonye nya kuthomera manto daktari nonto my father akwire mugwete twina mathi my mother twiru muneu katikarea twakaraira au kasofene. So it was so emotional na ikioreta inya manto a cancer inya izo ndagitire my research kire degree ekwa bachelor's in science in nursing nonto indaigagwa JMB spine kwenda kumenya na inya thai as we progress ukamenya niki champion amanto jaigia cancer mono na au ni hospice bejerere na imbarika na inya they supported me so much. So in short kire primary I had no much challenge ndathomere ntinai na inya ni ngwenda umaira keni ngaringa manto za koinda area good in gaborin gaborin ira chionde chiendere akamugutano at that time indona gweka liquid kafro ngochetha muchetho tweta koyo aja nyuma ya gweta wa kaithe kana ghetto opposite just area Shell petrol station kwina ka ghetto kethera karea una ndego itwagita Gaborin na tauni na tukona mbecha. So maisha za primary kibara baize it wasn't hard na nunda thomere gitoro na ndakuruka na apart from challenge unda kwira cha self esteem mainda ari mto bere Monday short voice yakwa yongwa is soprano tena voice ndeza ndina pimples all over aendeza twari twandikira ndaria bakamimik bakachokeria ore nkuga ka voice ithina mtu akue ithina na riu tena iratu inyoreja skuru we thawe irami. In fact ndekire kwi iratu bia sandaki bia umire ora twe class ira ndekire na moccasin kiratu kiambere but these other things inomo kireana bonde ko untare achari. Secondary school I was lucky. In fact a class 8 renge becha che introduce che kigerio nionkolika na ndenderia mebira ndira register kigerio nontre inda itweza kire team eta mafuko bombers twe ball boy re moito kojokia mebira togetanio na nde was lucky ire amikuru ndenderia au akinonda are challenge na rero mse are kwambiria kwajo muno na ethro ambecha ira nyingi irita kiremba jua. Secondary school ambuge nyayo indare raki nonto indezire ndaye wa scholarship through also my aunt Rende Kambura na inya scholarship ingi through football ko indonere another benefit ya but before inyambita form 1 there was another challenge. Bana azima kuyare okuruka ira stage fulani I had no money nya chiari riu batari nyabo challenge yu chiambajwa nae batona biombikia nao ande kwe kare gantetherie indikana kare kau iga responsible no mpere maukule twathiria za class 8 amero ndenderia mchungaji kwe family ya mchungaji wa AIC Church au ni onto irende na ofisi inye ward onto indikana mchungaji unde kwendia mauku ndona around 3 to 400 ndare ya Kensrova ndeta Nairobi kwina mzee weta na mdepa kweta nonto I highly value these people nonto ndikwenderia mchungaji au thai bishop ndeta na ndona fia gweta Nairobi na Kensrova ndetete ochoa mtu eta Gilbert Riai na inyana ari ethera kona clip eze na igwe muchokerete nkatho sana ari muchethio mo Meru Bombers umite AFC au Maoman bezaza Meru Bombers and the ball boy neza ganjare kwethro team yo kugia challenge tukare kithanda kiria mathe aturugirite au and inda ize ndauma Meru no tunare ochoka Nairobi na ndaiga gwa karaka kawa sukari ngeta guchwa mtu we bahati mzuri kama bahati mbaya ndamona maisha zaka agitatia rakire aranda kinyukirerwe na riu tatware na thimo a search ndikurithiria au nderwa na aria kara bamwita Ziggy nickname Gilbert Riai Ziggy urome ndeta na nkaribisha uo steady me na ndikenda nchoa mbeca cheguchoka gwita gutanwa na icho chiambiga Nairobi na riu na ndi remember ka process kau utena ope gwita secondary iu itari mathuganione kona ndi no tombere okara nawe at that period west round bi ndona tubecha kidogo ndeza ndatetherwa kwi mseo ari jirani okoita kariba brother Karenta na bange au ndona mbecha chegwita gutanwa na ndi remember na ndikanyamba karate ukaraika 10 by na ndi ndeta nda hosto in the kaingi aranko hostero baraba ize kana tene inyomba injirene tu in fact ni ezere ethwa kanisa au nyuma but currently ntize imbie gitairwa but na ndi nda hosto ikiremi na ndakaingi twitaba bena bango atabe ka process kau ande ngene nkairwe irio na uwe mta na mathe achiomia bia we no ntunare othoko and that how ka passage kau ndakurukirire na inkarika na no ntu kagitene kau ndi nyomba irio coach weta wa Kandaro Kandaro was a Sudanese na ari coach okaga boys na naize ndi na talent ya mubira no wezere uganda keu in fact ndakurukite gwita max cha gwita nao lakini uganda keu ndendere tokaga boys so inyande na au ndaiga no tumana onto tengete kerwa come back access at that time finally dethra barua nirio na through my aunt through Plan International I was scholarship na ndina njire nkue that how I went through secondary school gita nguge antugwita wa Plan International yari kangeta na are ya Njoune and tweta holiday tukaita nguge through foster parenting na tukaringo ambicha igaikirwa sponsor bakona lakini tapatare aga school fee onde Baraga up to I think 90% or later if I can recall sure and the way figure tigara fee is my parent could not afford. It accumulated to a figure at that time was almost 40,000. And then kuthomera was difficult. Na kiranto batize they form I think 4 no ndale school wengi they form 3. Eta hidden talent. Na inya ndo organize rikaire is the same Gilbert Riai. Hidden talent pure was about talent no priority kithomo is secondary. Is a code option. And in the gweta now I stayed there for a few months. Leo nde naza they again atanka register exam lakini ande nkona scholarship wenge full lakini ande lazima betende form 3 ikenda ncheza mubira ndego ita skuru eu hidden talent ya reda goreti na area ndathoma ai ndona aja mantu akithomo izero imuchetho akithugitai na ari ina ntirite mathi arimu bati umenya bariuga ni uria mpingirwe fi lakini mbitire na aria uniform na ndambiria skuru ai ndona aja buru i jokes ikwenderea na ndina aja nontu indari na aja kuthoma muno but imbuga unitande mtu umume in fact kithomo gititonya angikinyahiria but gwe indagera ye ndari na mabidi zakwa na ndigwe ndera Gilbert oni giri ontithomera ari muruya by the ntiombai anchoke kaire nga struggle ndeza riu mwiraria no wari MP nderwa na tetha na area bursary I remember ndetre twakiwaga Macu building. In fact, in something funny, Macu building ye mwiraria karainde ezire gukara kunde piora the same city ra ndeza kumuromba ndi mulitwa aninka ndethira rimwe tweza twa bounce tokarite mwanka thasta cio tuko queue yari nene ndeza kaire the second time ndeza finally ambona ambira na ndi bursary ra mpeza na the entire constituency but ikagano mbuga anto bakono ngirizi riu ndina balance ariuga the entire bursary mbuga CDF inaichiawe itai mukore mo CDF was not much na ira cheta bursary minimum mono and nuize na no ari minister kona tetha na area ambira nonga ngutethetia ngirio izire na ndatega bazan tukauga sawa inyachio but ndiguita school ndabera I couldn't raise that amount but kware na mwarimu etawa inyawe beast principal na wana atuthikaira allowed us to go through very well na twathiria school tutina any big challenge kone undathiriria kaga but I miss mark cha gweta university what do I do ndikana inya mathe akitha inya wambira skuru ĩ watinda ng'ang'ana muno inyethera no gwitira through riu twethara twina visiting day gutari na midterm tigo ng'ang'ana kiare mari inya ningwa ntathoma na ingo survive mutindo and lakini nkona yes no be encourage ntige stress na no it was stressful fee na manza inya ka balance ka tukwewa scholarship ketharo ke gap tutomba ku raise na no ntonezaga in fact throughout my primary mse atakinya school but na agai bila bikwendeka secondary school atakinya tiga ntuko mwatunde ngi ndae suspension ndageta gwita kanisa ndetherwa dom nau ndakamatwa ndasuspendwa riu ire akimuciari ero irazimeze ezero mwana o irazima tumwenge skuru wamantu za discipline but mzee atare aza mono mathigwo nwe weza ndiongera na out of that nuize nyawe na kuona stress irande nacio but we ta chiare nyinge no ntinda ora skuru gwe ngeta mugutano ngachwa biakwa in fact ntije yako ale akiratugira ndare yako secondary no ntitwaringa gaburini utuko kaga boys arere nomba kura skuru no gachoka no ndarara dom cheta wanyambene chi the other side ndurukere no ntiba izi ndio sport ngeza jogging pakathogani mazoezi ndagitatia ande tiga ntuko emo akenda agwatirwe ndaringo musita ibist batamenya ethera inkora skuru na ngeta mugutano na nkathukuma tugachetha pool ingeta ntijo ngatwamita baba ingi twachetha uria ukaria kenja kiu but wenda thoma secondary but mubira ijo ansupportere through kweza wa itwetana tukakabiro inyarira tutengairo fi mono inyarira ndona chereri kana inya fi eu igitigere gwe itware au to challenges but I enjoyed secondary school kukuruka ndagia max cha gweta university ndeta guchokera I missed with one mark one or two ndeta guchokera St Pius ndauga na ne maisha yako manteva atiri ande ndauga mpe batiri tweta Maina Seminary. Father Lawrence Mesheni, I think is the still director now seminary. Ande amboria nare umite na seminary wale kaga ne ari na some indiscipline mono itwago mambi utenganira seminary. Ande kwa therwa na leo nize initially I was nkurerete Catholic nonto gitoro na ngeta St Stephen patreta goe kanisa erema ande ngeta kaga tandare mto church mono lakini ande lazima andikiro barua that those days yakona ni mu Catholic kenda kwenda tandari yawe na ande ndikona ja koma na ja antete keru abati kwe bangi nabo bari bochokera ku. Can you imagine na eze rai momba kono fiction onde eze ndatonya na ndendelea seminary kirasi without going through administration ndeza ndahewa tu ndatonya na life continued but later ntapiaga ki records yo ginya ria kuregister exam iro ndetere twaria kairi na arimu mbi finally wenda atonyithwa nonto inya findezire gukiria later nonto ntapiaga inya ntenga nonto seminary wenda amenyere uria ngatonya nau tweta kuromba maita 5 pade kuma rukiri ra 11 angathasta ngai twina Saturday recollection and goe aki o cool guy utebarengi menyai na inde register kigeria kinonto at that time gichoka na oirio kia register ko nyethra ntego apia maukunda achwere mbinunda rira ndeza okiria ndikuthiria form 4 iro bora ya muntu ri na tute umona na ate kugo emulitwa guko but KCSE ikiumira ndakurukite nda improve from the previous grade but cat point 8 kairi I miss the public animation kairi and all ya what now life ne atayo kara finally go I went out Yonda trimana na Kiambi Bishop Kiambi County Secretary Aderu Ambera by the way maisha ya komare I remember that meeting was in Castera nontundare tutonya kanisa we reu bare kanisa inyawa aria kuma ngai APC ezamberia kanisa au geto ande twetanga au ande kuthiria pap komwira ngukuruka ntenae nteumba ko join university utenyambia what do you do ambira ogono we pastor Bishop ko ambira le ya otona irare no tutonye unduma ona kiambire kani ministry ta Kings Ambassadors Network International Ministry tira kegore na ndea uma geto twaitiara kegore igurure Kinoru Stadium na aria totonya unduma twamutumishi at one time twina ito ungeta muthomi Pastor Muthomi na ngai na mutethio re it's not well it has been unwell but na ndeto amberia u Bishop Kiambi Murega na bau bangi tamberia unduma na une onda agitire theology so barambuga waga yina au ne onda atonya na ndai theology na manto a kanisa and Kiambia etao Bishop who is now Dr. Kiambi is the county secretary etamberia Nchiru ministry atutiga ministry maisha ya kanisa yoma sana remember bumeta kwa batiri imbonere ndeni nkairasima togorane mbezera nande ambera nande to amberia huduma naza huduma ni njumu kuamberia kanisa is not something easy na kuendereithia o totiga tutene experience kanisa itokorea tukombolete au komse omwinya rimwe atwetha nerando sandakete kung'ana sandaka yauma rimwe gakinyangiri ande nya muchungaji atirea inya ningo sandakete kuvua rimwe at that time itona challenge twatigwo na muthomi u twi ashirika inya bairi bathatu muthomi akanwe akanwe read of service na ngatumiria rimwe nka read of service so it was a big challenge na finally gwe pastor bangi bezire na bendereithia we kanisa niomire na twainga ande tigweriku izi main and quote nchiru nontu naza na ndi wakara para nizire sandaka itegwitwo mzuri para tutumiria kanisa ichirugulirwo inyingi nturene competitor ibaingire ko kanisa gwe itombere kuendelea in short area kigure kigure market ko finally tukafunga andiro ndeza nkamenya mantu agutumiria iwe tari kori nigwe na mantu akoinya batiri kori ni eko isiasene andiro ndonere antu agwikia antu iguru mani mantu za momo tika bambera eza ande mbere bete iguru andiro twatonyere siasene 2013 leo inyago enkweza ndaona another scholarship through Kem University through Coach Mkasa ankugita short nonto inyambere mbeta Kemu ndambete ndikuona Strathimo through another just somebody we met kiri matatu namboneria ambira antethia nthome nonto nonaga yes struggle ira ndari ndi ukurukira de imbezere inya ndamwa deputy head teacher Kinoru Day School imbitene area so ankugitanga nonto I've done a lot of things beyond my age and gwe pastor mwalimu head teacher Kinoru Day School aza inya twina tu conflict kidogo nonto nandi impere munene that time principal inya lecturer Kemu eta Mrs Monene ezere anene ya alimu ibezere bande kwa ba TSC oni nteo TSC the untrained teacher and ne ata tugatongeria alimu be TSC na ugoi mwalimu Mbonoko but one thing penda anto barikana Kinoru ito akurukirie wana inya bagwata B kware B minor na masabu baranda itana I don't think ethera record yeu ntize lakini ethera iravunjwa until now so as an trained teacher ndi na record nya ni story ariko but waitu ethera twakosa na mwalimu nya au school we Kinoru Day School na kwe ana twa ndathetha iria ndi coach bachinda mbecha cha kopa Coca-Cola andi twakarite mĩeri ĩna tũtirĩ andi bauga icio nkare wacio na bati umenya mbecha ici cia chindi tugira into sport house anda bera itomba into bi lazima bietekere alitwa na barenda ndewai na bera lazima skuru echo ina ekande yae ndo ina mwalimu ongea kweza nonto principal na ale agwita kwa we had some misunderstanding how so I had to utigithwe ngoge remember ndale wa Kinoru Day School and teacher itwari nene yo ndale wa ngirinya ikagito chai angaende SSF imbingo tigariro ayo so that kabet kidogo baraba komenya ito itanirebo Kinoru au but something inspiring ndezere ndainya board in the school management or school area na itinde mwalimu UT but na ndeto choge kire aza kanisa tukuthiria na ndeja ndathiria university ndathiria Kemu through a scholarship eta Kimunda scholarship baraba by Methodist University bamenya what's Kimunda au ni ndeja nkagita BSN Bachelor's in Science in Nursing na apart from that in the Zirendainya student leader da representari to the highest organ ye school university eu kire senate na ndarungamira the entire Methodist University kwa area branch na Nakuru, Nairobi, Mombasa, each on the indare the president waritwa so now inspired me to leadership Berendiria University nyam Berendiria inde Zirenda expelled kaire university Kemu inde Zirenda ngwa that time dare attachment Meru General Hospital aza pesa something happen anga register korwa baugana nde ule omba kobea that responsibility bare mwa imorega na no le ndare nde kothiria tamu yako yae at that time disciplinary professor Taya ule noe VC thaa ici arĩ DVC Professor Micheni noe barĩ DVC bakara bauga muntu ũcio ai kemwĩtĩte gĩrĩ indiscipline ndengo I was expelled completed suspension na rĩu ntigerionire 6 month thiria university. So at that moment remember Amanda Kimunda scholarship angotethwa imbizire ndesperwa but finally ndetage professor at that time was twamwĩta Professor Mutema ndeta kwaenda mwĩra manza ntigithĩte professor na nkiapia inde appeal nontu mantu ja piwari ja kwĩrwo indakũrĩre register nkwariria lecturer gui I had not done. Finally bathikĩra appeal na ndachokwa but iga history antu batize babaingi but ndomba gũshare ambere I was expelled na inyambuga professor no arikana nontu ibo bakaririte ibo bachete the disciplinary committee but the professor wa inyani bareza gwapia in my committee the assembly the Micheni amwira uteu no ntetherie lakini ankorikanie mbira inya arimu wherever you are student bare ogwitana they can even later be your bosses go but treat you well but ntagitete kwezera kwamenyekana uria ukurite duty roster but nda safere almost 3 months mbere appeal ekwethikirwa na tindagitete but now I was a reader I bear that responsibility but inyo au mwari uria ogitete that act waibezire bengwa but inyo engo etere US na ndomithiretie mwana middle school through my scholarship program inye netere na reform na neza ntetheria ndi MCA thomithia mwana middle school a student umire na au kwa utoa witharwe bure kabisa inyabo through group yeu no teiba kulika na twengero twe arito 6 bana baire ba expelled oni na ou na babangi baewa suspension but ndachokwa return na ndathiria kuthiria mbere bona certificate graduation yari 2013 iro ndaromba gitina ndi kia MCA ndikana Professor Mutema Mboria na ndi witite ge siasa na inyo tathiria university ndamwira ari ugati graduation beterete nontu ndiguchokwa ndathiririe ga attachment na ndathiria school in short ndombere kuromba giti kia MCA na ndagia in fact ndari number 4 ndaringi urio chindireirate mea Mheshimiwa Kiome kwa number 4 you can imagine and iro ndatrimana in short na Mheshimiwa Rahim ampa task kuthura ku coordinate kuthurano bia CDF and nendaga kuyanta wenda batonya CDF b ambira wa successful kurungamira ithurano biu no thimenti ngakwangugi finally via successful ndamo deliver barendaga batonya gi committee iu na wampethia PA twaskuma nau muchara nkimwira ambira we chukua hii mbi andere utire nkomenya parliament itaogete tainare we finally to engage na twagwatanira ampango gende personal assistant na tweta Nairobi together and we have a good moment and na ndentijethra nani inuksi kana imbati mbaya twetha twathura na kairi antigithia ngugi that was 2014 15 yau tukuremanwa bahati nzuri within that week ndapointo kairi president ndaethwa director Kenya National Trading Corporation othai ndandi opiethira na ante kumenya na ndi no butera ngugi irio ndari family ndi kwambiria I think was by the same year no rio ndari ndi kugerana ndona za ndikairi umezama bahati nzuri nkona appointment o ki that time go ndi nae instability na ndi na under stress I the director I served another 1 year 2016 I resigned ndiko resign tavai for MCA 2017 municipality ndachinda kuchinda ndathurwa deputy speaker gacha kairi chaumira au unge twachinda twethera kuromba gite kia MP aikia petition riu tutereana wa kiraitu eta Ken Muriuki a petition gite kira giatupirwa mbari ndaitwa deputy speaker o in wrong no cover marando na gite kira maiki area benefits yakyo maisha zaire zatazama we MCA but you had nothing not you have committed beja chiaku so in fact dai moe could even basic bera ogo ureto mheshimiwa aini leo inyanta arende gwaka challenge nya chakore rent no kona wechererwa but na inchi baliuga mheshimiwa waumira ngano bakwenda fee anga maomborezi. It was a hard time, but how many no keda were MCA anga muchara ngai. So I suffered for a period of almost 1 to 2 years. Rakire getekirea we had our way out gya chokua tweza kuromba kaire rakire through the support MCA banchokia deputy speaker. Kona ande maisha zendelea mzuri na twethira area au ndeza ndaromba gitike mujumbe. Ndaza makairi ndaringa nthi kabisa leo ndechindana nao mheshimiwa Raim who was a PA of ndari PO we an experience and a time ejere but I had no hard feeling. It was just like competition lakini naandike image ya bange ibonaga one you should not have gone to the next level uringe karakarare kwi bange bakuga no chindana na bagu anga no chetherie mono ugwe iza we man za mainge so perception maybe cable it wasn't the right time but to me ndaiga one na aspiration area ndena chio and having history only when I focus to something whichever the risk I have to take it nande. My life has been full of taking risk. Kontona a big deal. Koromba na inyambagia. Every ndarombere MCA nda number 4. Nareta ndaromba nda chinda. So what was difficult inya koromba MP inyambagia kanambona. So dauga I'll present myself manifesto. Nandeza kona kanisa ndeta bakauga iyowe. Kura chionde cha mulaga. Chia taroa akuna. Na inyabona bakuruma ganto gakono ntutanda ari mbaya kulingana na nkiromba the first time. Baganto karewa kura ndagia ndauga isawa. Ndana. Ndeza ndauga ndombe gitegia speaker. 2022. But now chances were very minimal. Nonto we had Ayubu na Bagipempe na Bamaranya who are better off. And then we had to team up. I team up with Mheshimiwa Ayubu. Achinda gitegia guest speaker na ninda a board member. So that udumia wananchi kugeta decision chi assembly kuba support capacity building michara na ngugira chitae kire at the board level. Deo au Drigari agaruka etha mheshimiwa gavana ni baba ona nda point wa CC waziri wa youth rogono nta kunyeria
na life ire nendiki ministry ya youth now ejare
we need ya kwere watoto ngeri ntona manto jedara ze challenge ni jedra we DJ Corin kana itu yakero number 1 ndiko age gite kia MP awanya thimondo araia kithuki ningiko ndingera ya boria utoe in fact baraba inge bataize ndare ndena ngoge assembly na ariko now which is also a good job lakini ontote utongerie na awanya to konaga utenya thimo bwana mawe MCA kuma 60 mwankatha hasta inya mtu inya tha kenda bwana wengo gene cha kujenga taifa no kuringiro no kwera thimo mwanki simamoto itana ikoira mugutano lakini after that ka period utethimo ande igwo gachoa no kuringira uko na nyago wini utanchoa ora nchoa gatogeta news And utenya news, utenya media, attention. So you are there. But immediately ndeko etho si kairi. Ai. Thimu irezire nomo. Waziri. Ai, totena waziri. Nande that's the challenge right here. Kwithro in position. When you are not there, utiga ohwe na family na few friends who are genuine. Pau bange aba tokonoga. Inyo tokore hinya. Inyo raratia. But although kaire in position, you are in the public. You are public figure. Ogwe thimo etekeria kumaro kere mwankogoro. Mathi all the functions you have to appear. Na bamwe thimo izi utekolingero okethwa, wiringero unenkero problem ire ga solve. So that now you are back to the challenge zayu. But due to my surveys an honor. In fact, kwa a position utongeria, you don't take it for granted. A position inawe ngwa ekuweza fulfillment. Nontenyande MCA mbuga inyande etara mugutano ndatega kwenjira inyabauga imurega road ekuma hospital egakinyae town area ndamiono imbuga wow DMCA. This is a project initiated gutarea barabara kwina barabara. Ndetara mugutano baraba iziara mpumaira. Aramse ndairia toratwa imbita area kwa mzee etawa baya. Nkenywa gachai ndatega vioski bibionde. Nkauga through partnership ya county Nairobi vioski bieda mugutano na binge bietai area stadium na town. Nkauga mtore okwenderia area no ithro atize part of Nairobi through the governor Kiraito kwiginto ate kumenya lakini nakwania mugate ogoro ndatega thoko inyazere through the same partnership World Bank na governor thoko emugutano ira ndauga ntuku imwe at least thoko eze mami enderia igakwe ngoroba na ni nyambitete ou inkuigwa there are certain things inkuigwa inani ngwa kagwirwa kwa apart from these challenges angachia gwitwa pressure ambi kwina zange inyago ngouga no kugwirirwa but inyakira etaja assembly through CDF na uni ondi kana inyatimega project kanunu lakini ara CDF kagwatithana ya county assembly na CDF ndenda andiki PO mheshimiwa Raim ndezaira kware akimogogo au baraba inge ibaize gwe kimogogo kyare au kira kyagwa ekuru twana bageza go kwe kansa kwe na hospice na bageta majengo nau indaugaga nkaewa giti ndagita kambrinji aza nandi nyadira nkurukairo no ntungari chietairo na inyani ngwanga kurukiro mbuga aza kware akimogogo ana inya bagwaga aza rozene ekuru na inya aji lakini thaizi ngokurukira na nyangare akurukira na kaigwa it's self fulfilling and bibyo bituma utongeria inya challenge ireo ichikweza an opportunity go transform the community na bibyo tugetoka ukagwereru inya bau yake
ibi kwa ya inya
ai kinya muchetho
alafu imbi ku inspire yake life co feel that no batere ku take that risk no batere wambiriria ginto utina that fear ya what if
better my mother. In fact my mother is inspiration any ndategera oni nyante kuote zare akurukira my mother from a step further na are umire moringo mbugi baraba kumenya with nothing na mateso zare atesero auma au ageta area mwakirite thaizi area kwa Kamau antugeta muti ondongori na maguru akurukira muito zuzunde ndakenda chiotuko a girl child etete gochwae kwozoe eza mugutano andera na mse akiaza uou na atamutigana all that suffering na mwankatha hii beta kauga eta ngino mheshimiwa aiga ni imagine from kwa Kiambembe na ndia gitawa ngino mheshimiwa agikara nyomba and this not bragging from 10 by 10 to 3 bedroom house na ningatega everybody utuomba kuma somewhere na somebody na ndi mathe jara akurukirire nontu inya ndonda mweja stress inko mwa demand atiumba kwa accomplish anga wogo ngolera irato bira biokaraja ya muntu fulani oni anga inkoenda yani no more pressure iria ukone nya Gitoro is not it's a big school na nya a public primary school itwethera tuginteracta na inya itonga no kwenda ukara life enjaga lakini mizo mwana utikumenya zau lakini mathe omeria zau zonde na ndera na narua ethro ndi mtu at least nyani ndi na influence kire community kou the part of baria bampombete kumbikira na inya nkamenya thina i temporal it is not permanent situation ira uri thaizi tio kethro i ruzu narua jobless ruzu roandikie narua reta maguru ruzu reta ngari njega urakaraka nyomba gakare akuo koboka ruzu ikara nyomba nene ntarara mbonete taito na inyama hathe atambonia anything thai ndi na taito 1 or 2 kana we whichever taito eku utararo chiariri mutaene so you can move from one situation to another na inya situation yeu enge eguru no we name ukoriro no we mwitonga na aru ndi na byo rozo nkethro ntina byo so nothing is permanent what you must do you must keep on moving ilazima utie moyo na ukethro utikaramwe na hiyo ni message even to the young people untagwato njara bugande na God Father you know that impande kingo genda ita nyango ge mweri entuko ndande kiala Miran town ndaita ko endia Choco Primo ai maisha ya mani ndale mo impande ki supermarket jawaka supermarket Kasarani area nkere agwa 3400 na inyayo ndamita nteo bagua impande ki gwitana skuru enge itana wa kawa west nara tika west Githurai nkire agwa 3000 I think 600 na Nairobi no kwenda rent no kwenda biakura no kwenda transport but all this process baraba kumenya they know have worked that ndenda ya Mutumba aja junction ya Kinoru twena mware mweta Jerita ndamutiga ngeta gwitana Kinoru nkenda ya Mutumba aja stadium manza zonde batemenya nonto bareona murega iwaziri na gwetithwa na ngari na driver na ari deputy na ngari nene na ari mheshimiwa lakini bate umenya behind the history aja nyuma nonga muntu za bishop wero omba kumenya nkigetarambe na ari ndendo gitera nkare inyaba karega utegitera arambe aja nonto gote negweta ngeta ari GOC na inyanto banko gweta they have been supportive system support system yakwa Pastor Wero iboyaga sana amugwete nyage TV ya Wero National TV nonto na mpere antoka kugitera arambe thaira ndaromba inya kugitera arambe somewhere ndatwa nonto ntena rieto nene to achanga ngiri 40 mbere mbita that mbere mpewa scholarship yeu so these are things a journey baraba kumenya ibakai lakini bareona the product yethiri bareona murega mheshimiwa murega kuromba MP murega CC murega deputy speaker murega director KNTC batiba koru zara ze nyuma aza bauga ndio miaka 50 kana 60 bate umenya ndake kurokera a lot of na ndinda kinile miaka 40 buga wampandikira yuko zalera waandikite the eta down
I guess before doing
yeah yuko zaleu
deal
sindio andeo andikeza tukwaria aga story
wow
sasa na ndozonda tutekera au tukekera zonde nonga bote bikira wero ntuko yonde anyway
wow murega
yes
nkona ndeka tietu ni kuthira
aimbarikanie tiga bangi ndakunda kidogo na nguru ntanyo nchobi ama kwithira tukulirite au na I've never tasted even wine in my entire life.
Wow.
Na twena environment yeu. Kwa hiyo kauga no anga influence anga believe wena musimamo. No into beyond the ole mo bitumira. Kwa hiyo gatonya drug na uga iwini anga imurega anga you can still stand no kethro batu twatumawa baraba kumenya kana tene twatumawa gwita kwendia na go supply no ntitwa supply gare gitoro geto kambakia twitumawa twitwana ugakamata no ntaskare ateko dauti ugakamata au no gaikie bathwani mbuga iroze lakini kumbe but imagine my mother atamiendia my father atamiendia atendia bangi within that environment ko inya ogo yoga anga ni influence ngotoma participate kere drug ari it is possible to stand na kwena other opportunities tigainya cha kwendia cha kwepedra kana kwendia miadarati
perfect daike mwe waririe youth sana sana thaine ndio ke ministry ya youth waririe mpeo mbithi kaingi tukona batu youth tutena patient mtu echamania na kachallenge kidogo akagive up akarimwa kuthiata njira irathi atite akinyanithia kana kinyela dreams ciawe mbi no waririe youth ubekirinya ubone ile there is hope if murega na umbanire kinya mtu muyuthi no aumire na nyawe akethira ki achieve mantu yara kwenda kwithira ki achieve.
Number 1 nambugekere youth utejo murega akurukirite that a very interesting life ukauga kwithina kana challenge no nontu nothing is permanent kiu ikio batiri kumenya na challenge kwe bange bakurukirite onindikire na mpumbite kuona opportunity obathomithia na inya thai ndina umwenza na thai na kugeta umwe mechanical engineering onge na kugeta physics and alitana physics and mathematics who have suffered than murega na bakurukire challenge ko we kuti challenge itono nonge ko ukaeza go solve problem temporal na permanent solution wachura no nto kuremwa kuona bya kore bya ntu kwemwa wachura no nto kwagia ngugi kwe baba inge bakarete bathomere bagwatai na bona degree ina first class honors na batona nyanguge we nya PhD na jobless ko ugachura kana utonya kire miadarati no ntubwa thina challenging kai nothing is permanent. Number 2 ugai compare ja ukona Facebook kana social media kana Instagram wini a post ya wathogania noe angotumira wini kana murega wathogania ne umaisha zakari ombona poseta na BMW kana V8 wathogania ne kwa tiga story ucha mtandao na ule kuona it's a perception etio the reality of life imwanya kwa utigeni mantu za ku compare murega no compare no ngiwona murega maybe ari akwe miaka 40 na ena maisha ukuthugani successful uthugani nya ugwe toka yikendo kinyau hapana tumira social media kui market na inya talent ira weneo lakini ugakararea uthugania uikara TikTok utumitumira in a positive way uraomba kwithirwa ya generate a certain income kiri ogwe.
Well, ruru kariro no rwa mwanya kana rugendo rwa Mheshimiwa Elias Murega ibokienda mutegere wero TV ukonelia ati antu baratu kona baikinya makinya yame kana bakinyete wara bakinyete kwe wabahambiririe endukira bathurire ikurea ukwankoro na wishomia na wichietekeria na ibo antu bakinyete obako baenda kwithira bekinya kwikiona nilia ati nyawe etikumankania mantu yarombikia kwithira wikulukira turone bokushomie na wetikirio waure no kinyamakinya yange yabata no kethira wikinya niliro to bya kumbeta winu wa kinyero ethira wina ntuko inzia.